Hello everyone, welcome back to Python with Andy. This is day 4, our 200 day to Python coding channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about type conversion in Python. This is a very important concept for every Python beginner. So make sure watch until the ending. So we can start. A is equal to control divided by enter your age. Then next we can start your print age. Then we can do that one. A4.py. Age is 22. Then check from here 22. But this is a string. How we can check? We can check here print type age. Then we can choose. Look at this. This is string. Because of the input is by default string. Here we are taking input from user using the input function. Suppose here we are enter 22. Then even we even though we enter a number, Python still stored it is as a string. Be- because input can take this value system. We can use another example is equal to int is bring age. Then we can go to check here type. What is the type? Here we are converting because we can type here in because we are converting the string into integer using a int function. So we can check here right now. Look at this. Now this is integer because we are right here int. Then we are right here int. It is an integer. Convert 22 is a string like this. Here we are. This is like this. We are converting. Now we are converting here. Like this is a string to do. Then we are converting to 32. Default string. Default string because input input concern because we are using the input function and always the return string. Input function always the return string. And we are using here simple way, like we can add value also. This person, like when we are writing here 22, it's 22. Now we are using string values, and now price equal to float. Float is price. We are converting it into float because contain a decimal number. The price basically, the price is stored as a string. Now we are converting here like this float. We are using here float. Now we are converting into float because it contain a decimal number, and then we are changing when price and price stored 22. Then prices here. Then I think it's float number right now. Print type of price. Now your chapter to look at this. Why? Because we are using here float. We convert it into a float. Right. Price is price is stored as a string. We are converted. We are convert it into a float because it contain a decimal number. Now we are checking some more examples. Like we are using here one more example, like Boolean example. Okay. Is fast is student. Yeah. It's also good. Is for student. So then we can check here is a student. Then we are check here Python day 4. Now it's 22. Look at this. It is showing here true because we are using here true. We are also use here false. You can use false. Is a student equal to false? And we are checking your type. What is the type of is a student? Type student. Yes. Basically, this is a string. Now, now it's real. We are using like it's when it was in quotation mark, that was a string. Like we are using without quotation is true, then it is a boolean. Please, thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share this channel.